Ah, Magandang araw po. Sensya na po, ay kakagising ko lang po. Ako nga po pala si James Mardel Capico at ako'y nag-aaral ngayon ng Manufacturing Engineering sa Bulacan State University at ako'y 17 years old, pinanganak noong October 15, 2007. Ayun lang po masasabi ko. Thank you po. Kala mo tapos na, no? Well, hindi pa. Marami ka pang di nalalaman sa akin. Hello! Ang aking pangalan nga pala ay James Mardel Capico and you can call me James. Madami akong gustong i-share sa inyo katulad ng aking information, hobbies, experiences, at iba pa. Ako'y 17 years old at ako'y pinanganak noong October 15, 2007 at ako'y nakatira ngayon sa Malanggam, Bulihan, City of Malolos, Bulacan. At kami ay tatlong magkakapatid at ako yung pinakabunso. At ang aking program ay Manufacturing Engineer. And I also have friends that I can be weird around them kasi ako'y comfortable sa kanila at wala naman silang pake kung ganun man ako. And this is also my girlfriend. Now, for my hobbies, I like playing chess, playing guitar and singing, and playing online games. Now, I just want to share the fun experiences I experienced when I was a high school student. This is us when I joined the chorale and we sang Fiesta. I also joined a pageant which I sadly lost. I also took the role of the beast in our school play.
I should see her. Hold me a minute.
I told her to come down. What's taking so long?
Try to be patient, sir. The girl has lost her father and her freedom all in one day.
Ayun lamang po para sa aking Introduce Yourself video. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo at may naintindihan kayo about sa akin. Sana rin ay nakilala nyo ako lalo. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.